cup of glue.
All right, start pouring in.
I want to pour some in.
You will.
How much?
No, take the lid off and do it.
All of it?
The girls used clear Elmer's glue, 4 ounces, which is half a cup, and they poured it directly into the bowl. Then they took a half a teaspoon of baking soda, mixed it into a half a cup of warm water, and mixed until it dissolved. Then they added that mixture into the glue and stirred until it started to gel and get slime-like. Then they added the cinnamon, which made it smell like apple pie. And then they were going to mix in 1 tablespoon of eye contact solution, and that is what makes it activate and become an actual slime.
It's pretty.
Next, the girls added pieces of cut up styrofoam to look like apple pieces, and they mixed it in and then turned it out onto the surface and massaged it in.
This is not what's happening today. Whoa.
And there you have it, apple pie filling slime. It smells delicious and it's so easy to make.
It's easy and it smells good. You guys should try it.
Thank you for tuning into the Fox's Den. You have a good day.